Welcome to our channel where today we'll show you the easiest way to activate Paramount Plus on your Fire Stick and start streaming instantly. Welcome to our channel. If you want to watch your favorite shows and movies on Paramount Plus using your Fire Stick, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I will walk you through the entire activation process to get you streaming as quickly and easily as possible. First, make sure your Fire Stick is connected to your TV and the internet. Turn it on and navigate to the home screen. Next, use the search function to find the Paramount Plus app. Simply type Paramount Plus and select the app from the list. After selecting the app, click the Get or Download button to install it on your Fire Stick. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You will be presented with a welcome screen that includes an activation code. Leave this screen as it is, and using another device such as a smartphone or computer, open your web browser and go to paramountplus.com/link. On this website, you will be asked to enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Enter the code carefully and submit. If you don't have an account yet, you'll be prompted to create one with your email and password. After the code is accepted and your account is verified, return to your Fire Stick where the app will refresh and load your Paramount Plus content. Now you can enjoy all the shows, movies, and live events that Paramount Plus offers. To summarize, open your Fire Stick, download the Paramount Plus app, note the activation code, enter it at paramountplus.com/link via another device and start streaming. Remember to keep your login details handy for future use and ensure your internet connection is stable for the best viewing experience. Don't forget to keep your app updated to access the latest features and content from Paramount Plus. Thank you for watching, and if this guide helped you, please subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. Happy streaming!